Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and prevent any static damage to the internal components. First, power off your Lenovo ThinkBook 14G8 and unplug it from any power source. It's essential to ensure your device is completely off before proceeding. Next, remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the back of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. After the cover is removed, you will have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the keyboard connector. It's usually situated near the top of the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the keyboard cable by lifting the locking tab. This step is crucial as it prevents damage to the connectors. If you feel unsure about this process, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, to remove the old keyboard, you will need to unscrew a few additional screws that secure it to the chassis. Typically, these screws are located around the keyboard area. Once unscrewed, gently lift the keyboard from its place. Be cautious not to pull too hard, as there may still be a few clips holding it in position. After the old keyboard is out, it's a good opportunity to clean the area underneath. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. This can significantly improve the longevity and performance of your device. Now, take your new keyboard and align it properly. Press it down gently to snap it into place. Then, reattach the screws that secure the keyboard. Make sure it's firmly connected before proceeding. Reconnect the keyboard cable to the motherboard by inserting it back into the connector and securing the locking tab. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this step, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Once everything is reassembled, carefully place the back cover back onto your laptop and screw it in place. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to ensure the cover fits snugly. Finally, power on your Lenovo ThinkBook 14G8 to test the new keyboard. Check that all keys are functioning correctly before closing the lid. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This ensures you know exactly what to expect before committing to any service. With that, you have successfully replaced the keyboard on your Lenovo ThinkBook 14G8, enhancing both the functionality and usability of your laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.